Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jolene and I love all things personal finance and personal development, which is exactly what I talk about on this channel. So if you're interested in either of those things, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use, download, and adjust my monthly finance tracker. The link to download will be in the description down below. So if you're in need of a simple budgeting tool of how to track your finances, be sure to download it. All right, so once you have clicked the download button, you will get the sheet that looks like this. What you'll do from here is go to File and make a copy. You will make a copy of the monthly finance tracker. All right, so from here, what you can do is you can delete this page if you don't think you will use it. So this is the monthly finance tracker. So tracking your income, your utilities, your housing expenses, your transportation expenses, etc., etc. So how to use this is what you'll do is basically put in the description. So your paychecks, just like it is here, and then you'll just be putting in the amounts. So maybe you got paid that, it'll automatically add up here. You can put in all of your details for your personal spending budget. This is where you can actually utilize the budgeting system. So you can give yourself a budget here, and then once you add in all of your expenses, you can see if you're actually over or under your budget for the month. And then at the very bottom here, this is going to total up your income from this number here and all of your expenses, and then it will give you a monthly total if you're over or under. All of the formulas are already pre-done, so you don't have to worry about that at all. And then if you have another line item, you can always insert a row here, and it'll automatically adjust everything. So this is this version, the category version. You can also use the list version. I find this is super helpful if you want to do it on the go on your phone. What you'll do is every single time you make a purchase, you'll type in the description and the category if you want or need it. This is super key when you're budgeting and evaluating your expenses, and then you'll put in the actual amount. You might need a couple more rows here if you're spending a lot. This will automatically total it for you, and then you can add in your income over here, and then it will automatically total your income and expenses for the month. This is a super easy and simple way to budget and track your finances. I hope this helps you, and if you have any questions, feel free to hit reply in the download email. I hope that was super helpful for you and you have a good understanding of how you can use and adjust the monthly finance tracker to level up your budgeting, making it simpler and easier for you to budget and track your finances. If you like this video, you will probably enjoy my video about how and why to use a finance tracker. I will leave it linked here and in the description down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.